Hey guys, today I have the December Ipsy box and glam bag for you guys. This is sent for review purpose. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe, like, comment. That really helps my channel out. And let's jump into it. So first up, I'm going to start off with the Ipsy glam bag. This month is, I think it says You're the Main Attraction. It's the glamest show on earth. It's basically kind of winter themed, and you can definitely tell by the bag. The bag is all glitter, and I can already tell by the inside of the other bag that this glitter falls everywhere, which is something that I don't really care for. But this is what the bag looks like. It has like a little bell, like a little gold knob as the zipper. I just don't like how messy it is. Like even right now I have glitter all over my desk. Let's go ahead and take out what's in here and show you guys what's in the baggie. First up, we have from Guitar a diamond dust. I went ahead and took a look at this to see if I could use it for today's look. To be honest, I didn't do a try on just because I didn't feel like there was a lot of products that I wanted to keep or even like try out. So here is the powder. It's just kind of like a shimmery, beautiful pigment. I'm going to send this to my niece. I know that this is just such a beautiful shade and she could use it. Next up, we have Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I love these little minis for traveling, and Dr. Brandt is a really great brand. Next, we have the hair detangler spray from Silky. Another great little travel size, perfect for when I'm traveling. I love taking little minis like this. I keep them just for that. Next up, we have the Slick Luster Lip Gloss by Ace Beauté. I'm going to be giving this away as well just because I just have way too many lip products, and this is just a color that I already have. So to me, it's a beautiful neutral mauve-y kind of tone, but I just have way too many lip products. And then last we have Shades by Sean, the gel eyeliner, just a black liner for the waterline or any way you want to use it. So that was everything that was in the bag. To me, the bag is just an okay bag this month. I didn't really like get super excited or anything. Let's jump into the box now. The first thing in here that I see is by Nib and Fab, and this is a blemish gel treatment. I don't really suffer from any blemishes, so I'm going to give this away. It does have retinol mixed into it. I'm not sure how those two combine, but it's supposed to help like with dark spots, salicylic acid, and niacinamide. Nib and Fab used to be found at Ulta, and I remember really enjoying their products. I used to religiously buy like 2 of their products. I don't remember what they were called, but I really enjoyed them for anti-aging, and it is a good brand. I'm not sure if they're still in Ulta because I don't remember seeing them. Next up, we have the iconic Enrich and Elevate mascara. It's a black mascara, and it comes in a kind of like goldish tube. I'm going to be giving this away. I did check online, and the wand is very similar to the roller lash, where it's kind of like curved like this, so it's very similar to this one. But I do have way too many mascaras open right now, so I'm going to give this forward. Next up, we have the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad. This is in the color Game Changer. I actually decluttered my previous Il Makiage palettes, and so I won't be keeping this one just because of that, because I've already seen that I don't really gravitate towards these, and I would take them with me on travel, but the eyeshadows are really soft and they do break easily, and so it would suck to travel with it and then open my makeup bag and have eyeshadow everywhere. The shades are absolutely stunning. I will be giving this to my mom. It usually in their quads, they're very similar. The tones might change just a tad bit, but most of their quads are very similar in that they have kind of like a mid-tone brown, a dark brown, and then 2 lighter shades. So I think like you're good if you only have one of these. I don't really care for the packaging because even though it's beautiful, it does get really dirty really quick because it is a mirror. Really great quality, just something that I don't gravitate towards a lot. I feel like if you have a small makeup collection, this might be really great for you, just because you have like a from a light to a very dark tones in here, and you can do like an everyday neutral look with it. But for me, that I have like over 100 and something palettes, it's not something that I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna go for that one, you know. It's kind of just like not my cup of tea. Next we have the last product in here, which is the Pure Release Kale Vitamin K Exfoliator. I will be trying this out. It's a gentle exfoliator with antioxidants. I'm always down for a good scrub. This is what it looks like. I have tried some of their other products and really highly enjoy them. It is sealed, so let's go ahead and take that off. And oh, it's almost like a mask. Is this a mask? Oh, it is. It's kind of like a exfoliating mask, which I'm down for. So you put a thick layer on your face, leave it for 10 minutes, and then it's going to actively exfoliate with the water and circular motions. I love a good mask. I love skincare, so I'm always down for it. And Pure Release is a really great brand. They also sent me a Ipsy Creator kind of little bag. This is like a water bottle bag to travel with, which is going to be super helpful when I'm traveling. And they also sent a pair of fuzzy socks, which I absolutely love fuzzy socks, especially now that the weather's coming down. Oh my god, and I forgot. there's another product in here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, this is the 5th product. My bad, did not realize this was underneath all of that. But we have the last one is a set of makeup brushes. These brushes are actually really good. The MOTD brand, I want to say it's called Makeup of the Day, and it has 2 crease brushes, like an all over brush and a brow brush, and then also a tiny pencil brush. So a really cute set. I think I'm gonna put this in as stocking stuffer. I have such a whole bunch of stuff that I might put as stocking stuffers for some of my friends, mixed in with some stuff that I buy them. But it's a nice box. I feel like it's a good box this month. I like the Pure Release. The Il Makiage, like I said, is good for someone who's maybe starting off on makeup or just really wants like a quad that's like an everyday quad. Iconic London's nice. The Nib Fab, if I actually had blemishes, I would be excited to use this. And the brushes are a nice complement to this. Overall, a good box. Not like overly excited like last month, but I think it's still a good one. The bag, I wasn't really thrilled with a lot of the products. It's just, they're just okay. So in a good month, I guess. Let me know what your thoughts are on this month. I would also love to know what your picks were down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.